What's up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here, GuitarJams.com. Got one of my great friends here, Brian Rashow, came down from Northern California for the holidays season. Yep. And he's a bass player, I'm a guitar player, and I was thinking, who are the most famous bass players, you know, or most popular? Not necessarily the best, but you got Flea.
John Paul Jones,
Paul McCartney,
definitely.
Sting,
Geddy Lee,
and the list goes on and on. Cliff
Burton, of course.
I don't want to leave him out because you know. But anyway, so nice. We're gonna break down just that main Chili Peppers groove for you because we're having fun doing it anyway. Yeah. So might as well hit record and show some of it to you. That's about it. Happy holidays, happy New Year, and all that other good junk. And let's zoom in. We'll start learning this.
So so
we're rolling. So
okay.
Basically on that guitar intro, let's show what you play on that first.
So here's what you're gonna want to do for the guitar intro. I like to be in first position, and with your hand when you're resting it on the back of the bass.
Yeah.
This is good. This prevents any unnecessary notes.
Good call.
But actually, no, there is a kind of a proper way to do the slide, you know?
Okay.
Because at the end of the intro, right before it goes into the main theme, it's got, which would be an open A string, 0, and then a slide pretty much from like the 7th or wherever, just going up a little bit.
Wait a minute, what fret does Flea do it from?
Flea does it with a gap between his teeth and a sock. And that's it.
Okay, this is a different story.
It's kind of a slide like that. You don't need to be too precise, and you don't need to be too overly.
It's like an exclamation point.
It is, yeah. There's none of this, and there's none of or little things. It's just that's the intro.
I like it.
Cool. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. Then when the main theme comes in, it's pretty simple. You got your open A string, which is going to be your your tonal center.
Yeah.
And then the slide is going to be a little slide, pretty much from the 12th fret of your D string or the 11th fret, somewhere in there, up to the 14th fret, and then ending with the 12th fret on your G string. So it's going to be something like this. That's your first part.
Nice.
And the second part of that is going to be one of two different things. It's either going to be, or it's going to be. Waiting, there's a pause there for the syncopation, or it's right on the money.
Cool, yeah, play it, loop it a couple times kind of slow.
Okay, so slow, you got...
There's just that the guitar's going.
For the chorus, the little hits are pretty much a G on the E string, so 3rd fret, and a little slide or a little even hammer on to the 5th fret on the same string. And then what I like to do is a little slide and a little bit of like a back of the thumb mute back here. So you can still hear the note if it's actually there, but it's really going to cut it quickly. So it's like this. Yeah.
That's pretty much it. I mean, besides getting wild and doing little fills.
Little
pentatonic kind of things.
Exactly. And you can do, one variation I like to do is, on the main theme is this.
Ooh, that's cool.
Yeah, and it's very simple, just a C chord. Here you got 3rd fret on the A, 5th fret on the D, 5th fret, kind of like a little bar with your pinky on the G string, and it's just played backward, like a rake.
Nice.
Mr. Brett Papa.
Hey, good lesson, Brian.
Thanks a lot, Marty. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed being down here.
Thanks for teaching.
Of course.
Anyway, yeah, we'll see you guys real soon. Happy New Year. See ya.